Here we are with an unboxing of the Sony Ericsson Xperia Arc S, the new and improved version of the Xperia Arc. A few differences between the Arc S and the original Arc. Hardware is exactly the same in terms of form factor, but internal hardware there is a faster 1.4 GHz processor as opposed to the original 1 GHz that you got in the original Arc. So let's take a quick look around the box. So you can see that this version is the LT18i pure white. So this is a UK spec model. Familiar with this sort of design of packaging that Sony Ericsson are producing. So we've got Sony Ericsson's Bravia engine technology, Exmor R. We've got this new 3D suite panorama, which would be interesting to have a look at in a later video on the software. We've got the 1.4 GHz processor. We've got a 4.2 inch touchscreen display, 3.5mm headphone jack, 8.1 megapixel camera, and HD video recording. We've got HDMI out. We've got Wi-Fi, including the N standard, DLNA for wireless streaming to a DLNA enabled television, and that's pretty much it. So let's take a look in the box. So this is the white one that we're unboxing. We'll come back to that in a moment. So because this is a UK spec model, you get a 3-pin UK mains adapter which has a USB port on it, into which you will be able to connect this, the USB sync and charge cable, micro USB. So the USB will connect into there, and then the micro USB will connect into the device. We then get supplied with a HDMI cable. So we've got full HDMI at one end and then a micro HDMI connection at the other. So this will allow you to share content to HD displays or equipment that aren't DLNA enabled. It's nice to get this, not many actually put this in the box. We then have a set of in-ear stereo headphones with inline microphone. Got the rubber earbuds here. Bit plasticky, but they look fairly good quality. And we've then got the 3.5mm headphone jack. Audiophiles may like to use their own headphones, but these aren't bad for something that comes in the package. We've then got the battery. It's a BA750, the same as the original Xperia Arc. Got some documentation, my first hour, some warranty information, more warranty and conformity information, and then we do also get included a screen protector for the device as well. So coming back to the device itself, so this is the white version, pure white. A quick tour of the device itself and a rundown of the specification. So at the top here we've got some sensors. We've then got the 4.2 inch touchscreen display. It's a reality display with the Bravia engine, so it's really bright, it's really crisp, and looks good in bright sunlight especially, and it gives Super LCD and AMOLED a run for its money. We've got GPRS quad band on here, and then we've got 3 GHz PA on the 900 and 2100 MHz frequencies. We've got 1 gig of ROM, 512 RAM. We've also got a micro SD card slot under the back cover, goes up to 32 gigabytes in capacity. We've also got the 1.4 GHz processor on here, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, DLNA, and what have you. Of course, we've got the 8.1 megapixel camera on the back. This weighs in at around about 117 grams, which is excellent, and we've got the 1500 milliamp hour battery. So then we've got the touch sensitive, the physical buttons here on the Xperia Arc, we've got the menu, home and back button. On the bottom we've got a lanyard strap and a microphone. Got a small recess here for moving the back cover. On the side we've got the camera button, then got the volume rocker and the micro USB port. On the top we then have the HDMI out, so that's where you can connect the HD cable. We've got the power button, and on the other side we've got the 3.5mm headphone jack, and you should be able to see the Arc design there, flows like so. Then on the back we've got the 8.1 megapixel camera with LED flash, records in HD, and then we've got some Sony Ericsson branding. We just pull off the back cover. We've got the battery compartment here, we've got the SIM card slot, and then here is where we insert the micro SD. It does come supplied with a card. It comes with 8 gig micro SD card there, but of course you can put up to 32 gigabytes. Now the Xperia Arc S is available in a multitude of colours, but from Clove you can get it in white and midnight blue, like so. So there's the midnight blue one. So that's an unboxing of the Xperia Arc S.